Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the font of a specific text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Now we want to change the font of a specific text. Select the text. Then go to the design menu, then click ABC text, then go back the home menu, then select the font drop down menu and choose another font. Now we can see we change the font of a specific text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.